Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair and Dance. Yes, ladies, today, watch as these women experience a major transformation with their brand new hairstyles. See their reaction as they see themselves in a whole new light. Will they love their new hairstyles? We'll find out in this real life, real time, heartwarming video. Continue to keep watching.
Well, give me a hairstyle that I love.
Right, good. I'm glad you love it. Yay. Yay. Glad you. Alright, D, here we go. You can look in this mirror and then you can look in the big mirror back here.
Alright.
And it's versatile. When you sit back down, I'll show you all the different ways.
Okay. Okay. I like this.
Good stuff. You can flip it.
Flip it and put it in a ponytail.
Yep.
Okay.
Get it up off your neck if you need to. Oh, that good stuff.
Alright.
Nice and full.
Yes. And looks like my hair.
Used, right. Looks nice and natural.
Right.
That's what we want. To look natural as possible.
Right.
Yes.
Alright.
So we didn't use all those. We just used like, I think 8 packs.
Oh, okay.
9 packs or something like that. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
So hold that mirror and then I'll show you
Okay.
and versatile it. So, well, that's one part.
Okay.
But you can also just kind of move the parts
Parts
around.
over. Okay.
Yep. So there. You can go down as low as to right here.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the same thing the other
Side.
way. Yep. So you can just keep
Doing it over. Okay.
Yep. You can keep moving them over. And then the same thing, I think, on this side and go down as low as right there.
Okay.
And then, of course, you can wear it to the back, too.
Okay.
And pull it back. And then, back here, you can pull this up, too.
Oh, okay.
I'd have to show you from the back, but you can hold this up. I don't know if you can see in that mirror or back there.
Oh, yeah, I can see.
Yeah, so you
Oh,
can
okay.
pull it up.
Nice
and full.
Then I could do half up, half down. Okay.
Yeah, it's so versatile. You can do
I
a lot
appreciate you.
You can do a lot
Man.
of stuff. You can just pull that on up into a ponytail.
Okay.
Get you a thick
Thick ponytail holder.
Yep.
Okay.
Just hold it up. it is definitely.
I really like this.
Good stuff. I'm
Yes.
glad you liked it. You came all the way from
All the
where?
way to Inglewood.
Inglewood.
All right.
I was so juiced. I was like, oh my God, I get the client from Inglewood.
Oh yeah, I can push you back like that. Okay.
Yep, you can wear it a lot of different ways. Like you say, half up,
Half down.
And even on the side, you could pull all this
All
up.
that up. Okay.
Yep. And then with your baby hairs, I just use a little gel. I'll show you the gel that I use.
Okay.
You probably didn't seen it before, but anyway, I'll show you that. Yep, so you can pull all that up.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
What you want to do is real versatile.
Okay.
You gotta worry about nothing slipping and
Slipping,
sliding,
sliding.
falling
Right.
off, or none of that.
Because I'm out. So the girl that usually does my weave, she does my weaves good. But I had her do some crochet braids for when I went to Hawaii. Oh my God. I had bought the cap. And she just sewed it. I think she just sewed the back. So she put it on. It was fine. Then the cap slid like back right here with the crochet. So I had to wear bands on my head the whole time I'm in Hawaii.
To keep it from moving.
Keep it from moving. I was so.
Man,
And if I'd have thought about it, I should have just got a curly weave. And didn't have to worry about it.
Didn't have to worry about it, right.
Okay.
Yep, so you can just fix it how you want to fix it.
All
It's
right.
all good.
Well, thank you very much.
You are so welcome.
I really, really like it.
Good, good. I'm glad you do. This is a nice length too.
Yeah, I don't like long.
Yeah,
long,
not too long and not too short.
I think this is
long
14.
enough where you could still pull it
Pull it
back,
up, right.
and pull it up and stuff.
Okay.
14.
I think it's a 14 or 16. One of them.
Okay.
I don't go no longer than 16.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a perfect length. Not too long and not too short.
Short, right.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Well,
good
thank you
stuff.
very much.
You are so
I
welcome.
appreciate
Thank
you. Use the bathroom one more time.
Okay.
We about to head on back to,
Right.
to Inglewood.
Back to Inglewood. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.